Hi guys, I'm Julia, and today we are going to fix 5 common mistakes that even good learners make. If you have ever said, discussed about, or I very like coffee, stay with me. Finally, you will learn the correct way. Our first mistake is, I very like coffee. In English, we don't say very like. We can say really or so much. So, I really like coffee. Second common mistake is with past negative. So we cannot say she didn't went to school. We need to say she didn't go to school. It means with didn't, we are using base form of the verb. Mistake number 3, we are 3 persons. We rarely use persons in English because person singular, people plural. That's why correct form is we are 3 people. Mistake number 4, discuss about it. It's wrong. Discuss already means talk about. That's why we don't need to use about near discuss. Discuss it. Just discuss it. Our final mistake is I look forward to see you. After phrase look forward, we are using to, plus verb, and ing form. So, I look forward to seeing you. And now, there is a quick test. Which is the correct? He didn't eat breakfast or he didn't eat breakfast. Correct form is he didn't eat breakfast. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Comment below and let's fix it together. Like the video, subscribe the channel for more useful lessons.